Hello and welcome back to the Auld Licht Manse diaries. Today it's a bit wet outside, so I'm going to be working indoors, and one of the first things I'm going to tackle, because I actually haven't used this Aga, Rayburn stroke Aga, I guess it's owned by the same company, this Rayburn. I've not actually used it, so I will get it serviced, but before I do all that I want to give it a deep clean. It's pretty filthy, as you can see. I've already done an experiment this morning with this Astonish oven cleaner, which is kind to enamel, so it shouldn't score the enamel. So I've already done a wee tester on it on the lower oven, and you can see that it's brought the aluminium up really nicely, and it's beginning to get rid of the gunk that's around the edges, the edges there. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And hopefully after I've done that you will see a nice shiny Rayburn. Well, that's me now completed cleaning the Rayburn, and it's come up a treat. As you can see, the heat shields are nice and clean on the oven, both ovens. It's removed all the staining that was on the enamel. It's brought the cream of the enamel up really quite well, and that's using Astonish oven and cookware cleaner, which is really quite good because it brings the enamel up without scratching it and damaging it. It's enamel friendly. So now I'm looking forward to baking sourdough bread and cooking and just enjoying my Rayburn. So yeah, really happy on a rainy day to spend the time to clean my Rayburn.